In this video, I show you how to fix food test flow control game uninstall, remove or delete. For doing this, go to settings, then go to apps, then click on food dash flow control game. You can see that you can uninstall option. Scroll down, then click on home app. Now go back to your default phone launcher. For my case, Pixel launcher or other system launcher or any launcher. Click on it. Then go to settings again. Then go to apps. Now click on food dash flow control game. Now click on uninstall. Then click on OK. Now I hope that you uninstall food dash flow control game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.